Have you ever considered transforming your rooftop into a lush green garden? Rooftop gardening is a fantastic way to make use of underutilized space, breathe life into urban areas, and enjoy some homegrown greenery. Well, if you have, or even if you haven't, stay tuned as we dive into the top 7 plants perfect for your rooftop garden. All right, let's dive straight into our list of top 7 plants for rooftop gardens. First up, we have sedums. These little succulents are incredibly hardy and perfect for rooftops, as they can thrive in a variety of conditions. They require little water and plenty of sunlight, making them an ideal choice for those sunny, open rooftops. Next on the list, we have lavender. This fragrant plant loves the sun and well-drained soil. With its beautiful purple blooms, it's not just a feast for the eyes, but also attracts pollinators, adding a touch of life to your rooftop. The third plant is thyme. This aromatic herb is a sun lover and can handle dry conditions, making it a perfect fit for a rooftop garden. Plus, it's a great addition to your kitchen. Next is mint. This herb is easy to grow, loves partial shade, and requires regular watering. With its refreshing aroma, it's a wonderful addition to your rooftop oasis. In the 5th spot, we have chives. These hardy plants can tolerate a variety of sunlight conditions and are perfect for adding a pop of green and a hint of onion flavor to your dishes. Our penultimate plant is the tomato. These sun-loving plants require regular watering and can provide a bountiful harvest right on your rooftop. Lastly, we have strawberries. These sweet treats love the sun and well-drained soil. Imagine stepping out onto your rooftop to pluck a few ripe berries for breakfast. So, there you have it, the top 7 plants that can transform your rooftop into a green paradise. Rooftop gardens are not just aesthetically pleasing, but they are also great for the environment. With the 7 plants we've explored, your rooftop can become a verdant oasis, offering ecological benefits. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!